Hello friends, today we're going to replace this head unit in Toyota Prius. So first we're gonna remove this front panel here. I'll show you in a while. So using a pry tool and remove this, and we'll get an easy access to this unit to remove. So we have removed this bar, and these are the connectors behind head unit. You remove them. Only 4 screws, 1 2 3 4, holding it off down there, and then you can just connect your head unit, the new one, and I'll show you in a while. So that's Toyota Equa and the head unit after installation here.